doing any modifications in the pumps itself? Any of the package?
No,
Or,
no
because
modification in the pumps.
they're adding some dryer, right, for the instrument air compressor, or which one?
No, we are not adding. There is some logic modification in the LCP only.
Okay, no hardware.
No.
Okay.
We have told the same thing. Put it here. Nice. No major concern. Transfer board not there. So okay. So this point I will edit. I will edit now. Don't worry. Okay. For environmental hazard, for operation point of view, design, operation and maintenance part. High ambient temperature. We are saying no concern identified. New facility design as per the environmental data. So there is no major concern. But Rakesh, you want to add the construction part? So I can add it. Standard I have.
Yeah, you can add for construction part as well. But anyway,
Okay.
if you want to add it, otherwise you can put a thing that this shall be further assessed during detail engineering in detail.
Yes, yes. So okay. So and okay, construction part. I will say construction part. Construction related environmental concern. Will be EPC phase. Good. Santosh and Sudeep, are you going to follow IE15? Because sandstorm, it can damage the instrument. Are you going to follow the IP15 or IE15?
IP65. You meant to say?
Yeah. IP65, right?
Yes. Minimum, that is onshore AGS requirement.
IE65 or IP65?
IP65. For instrument, yeah.
For instruments, yeah. Good.
So when you are asking for the ingress protection, right?
Yeah, ingress protection, yes.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So because the sand should not go inside the instrument because this will damage. So ingress protection should be there, and you are complying with the IP65. So that is good.
And are you putting any canopies on top of this?
Sunshades may be there if something is exposed to sun, but